Okay guys, today I'm going to be trying to pick this lock here. This is on loan to me at the moment from Pick Wizard. It's a Colt disc lock. It's got a 7-pin tubular type lock on it, and this would fit over the brake disc on a motorbike. So I'll just show you that it is working fine with the key. That's now locked. So what I'll be using today to hopefully open the lock is this Clom 7-pin tubular pick. So what I'll do first is just loosen up the collar and reset all the pins. And that's just by pushing them up all the way as far as they'll go. And then what you want to do is just tap them down flush and then tighten up the collar. Okay, well let's see if we can get it open. And there we go. That was pretty easy. As you can see there, it's the lock is turning. What we can do is just lock it back up. That's now locked. Tighten up the collar a bit, and that should now work as the key would. Okay guys, there we go, that's the Colt disc lock, opened with the Clom tubular pick. Real great tool. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching because I've got lots more locks to pick, which are all on loan from Pick Wizard at the moment. Okay guys, cheers.
开锁培训视频教程大全是有多位开锁专家经过几十年的时间，收集国内外全部开锁资料，培训教程及视频，资料更新及时，是目前国内开锁教程最全、最新、排名第一的开锁资料网站。本站珍重承诺，您需要的资料这里没有，退全部费用。您看视频后学不会开锁，退全部费用。您学的资料不是最新视频，退全部费用。通过视频学习开锁知识，可在短短1周时间快速掌握开锁技术，自己开店当老板。日进斗金不是梦。